Yes.
I'm
robbers in my house. They're carrying gun.
I'm robbers.
Yes.
In your house?
Yes.
With big guns?
Yes.
They are shooting?
Yes.
Give pepper.
Yes.
So what are you here for?
I want you to come and take them to court.
Mua.
Yes.
To come and take them to court. Yes. May thunder strike that your stupid mouth. So armed robbers are in your house. All you could do, give pepper can we pray. Give Frank and one kelu. Even on your one adako. Even on your way where Jesus Christ of Nazareth, I was Ramakam Nobe, on your throne to hear better. I should come and die for you. Huh? Even on your one adako. Can be one. See, let me tell you, I am no longer a lawyer. Yesterday night, I stopped. In fact, there is no longer space in the law court. Everything concerning law, case in the court, every book of law, departmental, accidental discharge has been filled up. The only case I was even accept in the law court now, all family bilateral cases, family and the neighborhood cases, everything concerning criminal case has been stopped. So you understanding me? Yes. I am no longer a lawyer. In fact, if there is any place you should take your case to, run to Parish in Bato. Go to the church. There is Father Joe there. Lay your complaints to him. See, I didn't minister on a ability minister. Let them use prayer and anointing that breaks the yoke. Where will they break your own yoke? Don't come here and start panting like one.
Barrister, are you sure that you are not scared? Eh?
Me scared?
Yes.
Me scared? A whole barrister of a balletara. Barrister with a hyphen. Only my autograph. Just that the court have stopped accepting criminal cases.
Then let's go now.
Come. Get out of this place or stop. Out! Lock my gate. Stupid boy. I'm robbers in your house. They are carrying gun. Give people. We pray. If I put the one on the more. I take over the case after the killing. Stupid thing. I'm robbers. Who is at the gate? Who? Nonsense.